Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Vscode's integrated terminal right away. Press View Terminal or use the Control+ shortcut. Once open, check where you are with pwd on Mac or Linux, or run cd with no arguments on Windows to reveal the current folder. Make sure you already know the exact target path or have the folder visible in Explorer so you can copy the path. This prepares you to change directories reliably without guessing or navigating blindly. Now change directories. Type cd followed by your folder path, using absolute paths like /users/u/project or relative paths like /sibling folder. Once done, press Enter and verify with pwd or dir. You can drag a folder from Explorer into the terminal to paste the absolute path instantly, which saves time and avoids mistakes. Also, use Tab for autocomplete while typing to complete long names. These techniques make navigation faster and finally, confirm you're in the intended folder by running pwd or dir and then ls to inspect files. If the cd command behaves oddly, make sure the integrated terminal uses your preferred shell. Switch it from the terminal drop-down or terminal select default shell, then reopen the terminal. If the path fails, check for spaces, escape characters, or permission issues and wrap paths in quotes. If nothing works, restart Vscode. This clears session state and often resolves lingering path or shell problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.